So today I want to talk about something I've never seen mentioned on any survival channel. The one factor that really determines whether you'll survive SHTF, economic collapse, World War III, whatever it may be, is the ability to do manual labor. Manual labor is your ability to do physical work. Now, what nobody tells you is the amount of physical work you can do in a grid down situation determines on a group basis, when added together, all the individuals, what you can do. If you have no fuel, you only have human power. So another thing people never discuss is the trade-off. Physical labor is always a trade-off against good health and the danger of hurting yourself. So there has to be a balance there. 30 years ago was a long time ago for me. So when I was 30 years old, I could do a whole lot more than I can do now. So manual labor becomes the idea that you can do so much and you have to actually do it to know how long to work and how long to take breaks, what type of work to do, what type of work not to do, what temperature conditions, weather conditions, how much water you need to sustain that. Because in an SHTF situation, you have to do long-term manual labor. You can't just go outside one day, do a whole bunch of work and take 5 days to recuperate, or break your arm or your leg and take 6 months to recuperate. So manual labor in SHTF is the key to survival, but it has to be balanced with safety, health, and longevity. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.